In what year did the Dutch build Fort Geldria in Pulicat? A. 1614. Born in 1615. Circa 1502. D. 1613. The correct answer is D. 1613. Which political party coming to power led to the return of the lands? A. The British Labour Party. B. The Communist Party. C. The Muslim League. D. The Congress. The correct answer is D. The Congress. What is another term for motivation or stimulus? A. Skeptic. B. Persecution. C. Salvation. D. Impetus. The correct answer is D. Impetus. Which movement saw EVR's differences with the Congress? A. Civil disobedience movement. B. Self-respect movement. C. Non-cooperation movement. D. Swadeshi movement. The correct answer is C. Non-cooperation movement. What is the term for female followers enlisted for spreading the Buddhist faith? A. Monks. B. Bhikshus. C. Priests. D. Bhikshunis. The correct answer is D. Bhikshunis. What action was called by the Muslim League that created difference with Congress? A. Non-cooperation movement. B. Civil disobedience movement. C. Quit India movement. D. Direct Action Day Call. The correct answer is D. Direct Action Day Call. In which district did the Deccan riots take place in 1875? A. Bardoli. B. Punjab. C. Pune. D. Bengal. The correct answer is C. Pune. What limited role did the non-aligned movement play? A. Promoting global trade. B. Establishing new alliances. C. Facilitating cultural exchange. D. Containing the conflict between major powers. The correct answer is D. Containing the conflict between major powers. Which empire rose in India as a result of iron plough agriculture? A. Mauryan. B. Assyrian. C. Persian. D. Roman. The correct answer is A. Mauryan. What type of trade relation is evidenced by findings at certain sites related to Indian steel imported to Rome? A. Ancient Indo-Roman. B. Medieval Indo-European. C. Colonial Indo-American. D. Modern Indo-African. The correct answer is A. Ancient Indo-Roman. How did Vanikers typically travel? A. In bullock carts. B. In boats. C. On horseback. D. By foot. The correct answer is A. In bullock carts. What emerged among a new social class of English-educated Indians in the second half of the 19th century? A. National political consciousness. B. Religious revivalism. C. Industrial development. D. Economic prosperity. The correct answer is A. National political consciousness. Who continued as a de facto ruler even after Sadashiv Raya attained the age for becoming the king? A. Venkatai. B. Krishnadev C. Rama Raya. D. Achyuta Deva Raya. The correct answer is C. Rama Raya. What are stone tools associated with? A. Old Stone Age. B. Iron Age. C. Copper Age. D. Bronze Age. The correct answer is A. Old Stone Age. Which two empires in southern India fought over the fertile region of Vengi? A. Chola dynasty and Rashtrakutas. B. Gupta Empire and Western Chalukyas. C. Western Chalukyas and Chola dynasty. D. Western Chalukyas and Pallavas. The correct answer is C. Western Chalukyas and Chola dynasty. What specific event occurred in the English Revolution related to the king? A. The coronation of King Charles I. B. The beheading of King Charles I. C. The exile of King Charles I. D. The abdication of King Charles I. The correct answer is B. The beheading of King Charles I. What was the revenue from agricultural produce called? A. Bhag. B. Shulka. C. Bali. D. Kara. The correct answer is A. Bhag. Approximately how many words were in the book written by Lao Tse? A. 500,000 words. B. 500 words. C. 50,000 words. D. 5,000 words. The correct answer is D. 5,000 words. Which region is listed directly north of Awadh, Oudh? A. Rajputana. B. Delhi. C. Bihar. D. Kashmir. The correct answer is D. Kashmir. Which of the following was not listed as an ancient town of Tamilgam in the text? A. Madurai. B. Kachi. C. Pumpuhar. D. Tanjavur. The correct answer is D. Tanjavur. For approximately how many years did the Chola dynasty govern the region after Vijayalaya Chola? A. 100 years. B. 200 years. C. 400 years. D. 300 years. The correct answer is C. 400 years. Which type of tradition was practiced by the Gana Sanghas? A. Monarchical. B. Orthodox Vedic. C. Dynastic. D. Egalitarian. The correct answer is D. Egalitarian. What can be explored using the Cetra map quiz game? A. Ancient scripts. B. Chemical formulas. C. Historical battles. D. Countries, capitals, flags, and cities. The correct answer is D. Countries, capitals, flags, and cities. Who emerged successful from the conflict between the two chief families? A. Yoritomo. B. The Emperor. C. Tara. D. Minamoto. The correct answer is A. Yoritomo. Near which hills was the land located where the Santhal rebellion occurred? A. Aravalli Hills. B. Himalaya Hills. C. Rajmahal Hills. D. Western Ghats. The correct answer is C. Rajmahal Hills. When did the Raja of Tanjavur give up his sovereign rights to the English? A. 1806. Born in 1792. Circa 1798. D. 1799. The correct answer is D. 1799. Which author is associated with the Oxford Illustrated? A. David Thompson. B. R.D. Cromwell. C. Eric Hobsbawm. D. Hugh Strachan. The correct answer is D. Hugh Strachan. What is another name for Madras mentioned in the text? A. Chennai. B. Hyderabad. C. Kochi. D. Bangalore. The correct answer is A. Chennai. What action did the rebels take regarding the British flag in Vellore Fort? A. They ignored it. B. They raised another British flag. C. They brought it down. D. They saluted it. The correct answer is C. They brought it down. Which term describes the inheritance of a title, office, or right? A. Acquired. B. Hereditary. C. Temporary. D. Earned. The correct answer is B. Hereditary. How did you score?